Hey friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'm going to tell you about my experience of buying a DJI drone at Dubai airport and getting it to India. And why I'm making this video, because I've heard from many people that getting a DJI drone to India is not that easy, because we don't have clear guidelines from government that how to get a drone from outside the country. Now, we have a lot of rules and regulation of flying a DJI drone, and that also I will tell you in this video. But buying a drone is not very straightforward. There are no rules and regulation. So let's see, in this video I'll try to buy a DJI drone. Here on the right hand side you can see these are the DJI drones which is available at duty free shop at Terminal 3 in Dubai airport. Now let me tell you about few of the drones which is in the display. So here you can see that we have DJI Mini 4 Pro, we have DJI Air, we have DJI Mavic 3 Pro, we have FPVs, and on the right hand side if I go, you can see that we have few drones in display, like we have Mavic, we have Avata, we have Mini 4 Pro. So these drones are in display as well. And if I show you below here, you can see that we have the combo pack for Mini 4 Pro, we have Avata, we have Air, and like controllers, like a lot of options we have here at the airport. So it's not a small shop, it's a duty-free shop, and it has got a lot of options. So whichever drone you want, you can buy it from here. Now let me tell you the pricing of these drones. So here this is DJI Mini 4 Pro combo, and this is combo plus, like which has got 45 minutes of extended battery flying time, and the price is AED 3905. So AED is like United Arab Emirates dirham, and the price is 3905. Now you can see this is 45 minutes flying time DJI plus combo, and it has got all like DJI RC2. We have got 3 pack of battery, drone, bag, extra propellers, cables, everything. It's like a combo. Now we have another combo which is like normal combo, which does not have extended battery. Here you can see that this is a fly more combo. This is not fly more plus combo. This is the normal combo, which has got 34 minutes of flying time, and it has got all the same equipments, like it has got RC2 controller, 3 batteries, bag, propellers, drone, like cables, everything will be same, only the battery size will be little smaller. Now we have third type of combo, which is the drone and the controller, only 2 things, no extra batteries. So let me show you the pricing, like pricing for all these 3 drone combos. First one I have already showed, like it is 3905, which has combo plus, and the combo is 3619 AD. And then we'll show you the price for Mini 4, only a controller and the drone is 3105. So all these prices are in January end 2024, and you can again compare with the other shop price, like which is inside Dubai, like Bird Dubai, where we have different pricings. So one thing is very important, like this fly more plus combo is not under 249 gram, and this fly more combo, which is normal combo, is under 249 gram. So I'll recommend you to take a drone which is under 249 gram, because it has a lot of relaxations in many countries to fly. Okay, so I'll give this to the counter and make the purchase here at duty free shop. So once you give it to the counter, they will ask for a boarding pass, because in duty free shop you cannot buy anything without a boarding pass. So I'll give my boarding pass to ma'am, and she will scan the code, and then we'll do the payment. So let's see how much time it will take. Alright, so billing has been done, and now I have the DJI Mini 4 Pro combo with me. So I'll put a photo of the bill here. You can see this is the total price which it costed me here, which is converted to approximately 83,000 Indian rupees. Now the next step is like what to do. Like if I take this drone in a box, then there might be a confusion with the custom officer that I'm going to sell this drone, but this drone is for my personal use and I'm not going to sell it in India. So best thing is, like, you need to unbox this, you need to take out the drone and remove the box. That will be the best option. So let me unbox this drone and show you like what do you get here at Dubai airport in DJI Mini 4 combo. Alright, so after unboxing, like, these devices will be inside this bag, and the first one is drone itself. It has got the one battery inside the drone. The second component is the controller, and you can see this controller is really looking sturdy. And then we have this additional battery pack which we have got with the combo. So one advice I will say that you can remove the battery which is inside the drone and put it in the battery pack itself. It will make it more secure to carry, and just your preference, you can keep it in the drone as well, or you can keep it inside the battery pack. So I have kept it inside the battery pack. And then if you want to carry these like this box as well, so you can fold it like this and put it in your laptop bag or anywhere, but I will recommend not to carry the box, because it might create a confusion that you are going to sell this drone in India. Okay, so the time is here and we are going to onboard the flight Emirates, which is flying from Dubai to India. So just to tell you that I am keeping my drone in my laptop bag and the box as well in the laptop bag. So I have not put it in anything in the luggage. The battery, drone, the drone bag, the box of the drone, everything is inside my laptop bag, which I am carrying inside the cabin. Alright, so now it's time to fly, and let's see what happens when we reach India. Alright, so finally we have reached India, and this is the Terminal 2 airport of Bangalore, and here we have just entered the airport terminal, and we have to collect our luggage first. So first we need to collect our luggage, and then we have to cross the custom check. Now let me stop the video recording and I'll resume after the custom check. Alright, so now I have crossed the custom check, and let me tell you that custom officer did not check anything in my laptop bag. He just asked like, where are you coming from, where are you working, and the purpose of visit to Dubai. So that's all, and we are done, and I'm coming out of the airport. Okay, so I've reached home, and this is my DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, which has come to India without any issues at airport. So you can see that everything is intact, no issues, and I will try to switch it on for the first time and see what happens. So as soon as you turn it on for the first time, it will ask for the firmware upgrade, and it will download the latest firmware for India. And it will put those restrictions like 150 meter height you can fly and other things. And once the drone and the controller firmware is updated, it is ready to fly. And one more important thing, like before you activate your drone and controller, you should take the care pack if you want. But in India we don't have any support for DJI because there are no stores or service center, so better you don't take it. But if you fly frequently to Dubai, and if you have your friends relative in Dubai, then definitely you should take care pack will help, like in case of any damage, water, anything, DJI will replace it. Okay, so you should take it before the activation. So the activation is done here, and now I'm doing the first flight, and let's see how it flies in India. Okay, so the drone is flying perfectly, no issues here, and this is indoor, so it is giving a lot of warnings, but tomorrow I'll fly it outdoor and see how is the performance. Alright friends, so this was my complete guide how to get the drone from Dubai to India without any hassle. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.